Right dudes, we're trying to change the exhaust on this Beamer, but the fucking screws are bad. Oh, that sounds promising. I'm gonna change these badges.
And of course our Romanian friends could not do without some Russian professional help. Some muscles not from Brussels, but from Mother Russia.
Whoa, that was fucking bad.
You know what I mean?
Hmm?
You can move the protection.
Oh yeah.
It's better for you.
Yeah. Yeah, good idea. See guys, when you want to cut off this shit, you need to use the protection. And fucking look away as well. Oh, actually, you can tell me, what's your name with the camera? You can tell me whether to go up or down, because it might fly into my face in a minute. Can you...
I can't watch
can't
very
see it,
well.
no?
No.
Do not be a
I can't
pussy
see very well.
and look at the sparks.
That's right.
You have to go more inside.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was cutting it, wasn't I? That's good, they just carry on like that still.
Let me go back.
It's way better if you go on.
The thing is, this blade is so fucking small because of... Oh, nice, a bit dodgy. I need to make sure that I'm not cutting the pipe, which I fucking am, I think.
Is there any pipe over there? That's your pipe.
No, it's the this exhaust pipe. Shall I cut the spring where the spring is?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we've got spring there, don't we? Exactly.
We have the other wall. So
Yeah, so let's get the spring.
when you cut it.
Oh fuck it, it's gonna fly over that way anyway. I don't know, man. What the fuck is going on? Maybe he can see it better. Gonna stick some badges on this bad boy.
My friend's doing a great job getting under the car to fit on the custom exhaust, but my larger friend has a slight problem of clearance by the looks of it.
Did you see if it fits in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fits,
Oh, good.
It's good.
Nice.
Just gonna...
Right, dude, so we're modifying a pipe exhaust to fit on this bad boy. Mantling this also. Let's have a look, any joy?
Oh, to fit a longer exhaust from a coupe or convertible onto a shorter body from a compact, had to make the pipe a little bit shorter, make that flange thing for it to go into, and then hammer it in, and then tie it up.
Then some long bolts.
Yeah. Pull the screws.
Oh, you got them, yeah.
Yeah, and you'll get it close, slowly.
Yeah. That's good, man. That's fucking not bad. And I reckon where the joint is, get some sealant, you know that.
Yeah.
And then it'll be proper. That's good, man. That's good. Some good engineering there. Okay, and I've got. Oh shit, this was a 12. Oh, hold on, I've got a decent 12. What was fucking about for, man? Damn! That's right, Danny. We nearly fixed it, mate. Look what Daddy's done. Destroyed our favorite car. Right, we need 12, yeah?
Yeah.
1 second.
This is where I spend about an hour looking for some tools. And it's Christmas soon.
what
So
socket you
Lord,
got?
can you buy me a nice house for set?
No, that's
My
E12.
old friends have
No,
nice
got it,
tools
definitely got it.
and I have fucking shit.
Got this. So let's do it. Oh yes, the gap is closing. The pussy is getting tighter.
Well, not really. Kids had to be on the lookout for the neighbors, as Daddy and his friends were doing something weird to that bloody BMW.
It's getting closer, yeah? Do the other one also.
Let's do in the other.
The other one now, yeah? Yeah, yeah. Another one.
13, yeah.
Well done, Danny. Oh, mamczyk, alright? Aha, my syn, yeah. My mum. How things? Getting better.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, everyone's a mechanic. I want to be mechanic. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I forgot.
So just in time, our cameraman had to go, and we have finally finished fitting that awesome loud exhaust.
Mom, do you still need Danny's help?
No. Mikey, ty pomagajesz nam? Oh yeah, new badges are on. Now all the pussy is gonna jump at this car. Because the new
Behind them.
yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. At least exhaust is alive. Oh yeah, yeah, Mikey. Wybegaj, zajcie. Yeah, man. Sounds like a beast now. Mission complete. I'll send you my link to my YouTube channel, man. Some funny stuff on there. You'll be on there soon as well.
And he is now.
I'm still
Here's
posting
his
up
moment
stuff from
of
like 2
fame.
years ago that I
I'm
got so
sure
much.
now the new year will bring him
See you later,
a
guys.
lot
Thank
of
you.
fame and fortune. God bless, bro.
Sounds sweet now.
Drive and keep watching. Keep it real. Keep it safe. Oh,
Put your foot down when you come out of here in a minute. Yeah, Mikey. Yeah, man, let's hear it. Yeah, boy. Whoa, man. Nice one.
Cool.
Yes, cool. Быстро, да, поехал? Уй. Давай вот это уберем, да? Теперь нам надо убирать. Классно, да?
I'll be back.
Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, a Bentley.